Hey, in under 2 minutes, I want to tell you how to make every single casting notice you ever come across work to your benefit. If you fit the breakdown, submit. Awesome, good stuff. If you do not fit a role in the breakdown, then I want you to do some homework. I want you to go find their website. I want you to go find their Facebook page. I want you to go find them on IMDb. I want you to figure out who their casting director is. I want you to figure out how often do they seem to be making projects. I want to know on their website, do they have an email list that you can sign up for notifications? Because sometimes today you might see that casting notice on Facebook. Tomorrow you may not, but if you were on their email list, you would automatically be notified if they were doing a new project. So those are just some ways that you can make sure that every single casting notice works to your benefit, and you will find yourself a little less frustrated at those casting calls where the breakdowns don't fit you, because you will find that you can get valuable information from every single one. So that's your challenge for today. I hope you'll do it.